In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline your scheduling and manage payments effectively using some handy digital tools. If you're a fitness or salon professional or rely heavily on appointments and invoicing, these steps will help simplify your workflow. Let's dive right in with Google Calendar. Google Calendar is a fantastic free tool to keep track of all your sessions. Start by opening Google Calendar. Once you're there, you'll want to create an event for each appointment. Just click on Create Event and enter the client's name, the date, and the time of the appointment. It's as simple as that, but don't stop there. Under the option labeled Add Guests, make sure to enter your client's email address. This will ensure they receive automatic reminders, which can be incredibly helpful in reducing no-shows. If you're running an online session, be sure to add a Google Meet link, making it easy for both you and your client to join the meeting without the hassle of separate video conferencing software. To go a step further, share your availability using the Appointment Schedules feature. This is particularly great for recurring training sessions because clients can easily see when you're available and book time slots accordingly. Next, let's talk about Square, which is your go-to solution for handling payments and invoices professionally. Begin by signing up at Square if you haven't already. After setting up your account, create your service items. For example, you might have a 1-hour training session priced at $50. Once you've established your items, go to the Invoices section. Here, you can send an invoice to your client either via email or text message, making the process straightforward and user-friendly for them. Clients have the flexibility to pay online using their credit card, debit card, or even a digital wallet, giving them plenty of options. Another great feature of Square is its appointments component, which allows clients to book and pay for appointments simultaneously, streamlining the process even further. Lastly, for those of you looking for an all-in-one solution, Vagaro might be your best bet. Begin by creating an account on Vagaro. Once you're in, add your business profile and upload your services, such as personal training session. Make sure to set your availability to let your clients know when they can book with you. Share your Vagaro booking link with your clients, providing them an easy pathway to book directly. To handle payments, connect your bank account or link up Square or Stripe within Vagaro, ensuring payments are collected seamlessly. Stay organized and on top of your schedule with Vagaro's reminders and client management tools, which are perfect for tracking attendance and monitoring sales. And there you have it. By integrating these tools into your business, you can manage your schedule smoothly, ensure secure payments, and maintain a professional relationship with your clients.